Hello and welcome to Market Wrap with Raja. Today is the 21st of October 2020, and the way the market began, it definitely said किसमें कितना है दम. इस तरह मार्केट ने तो शुरू कर दी, लेकिन आगे क्या हुआ कि जोर का झटका धीरे से लगे. तो इसमें क्या हो गया, मार्केट की जो चाल है, मार्केट की जो उछाल है, ये सारे में पानी फेर गया. लेकिन कहीं पर नीचे के लेवल पे एक सपोर्ट मिला है मार्केट को, और ये सारा चीज हम आज देखने वाले हैं कि मार्केट में हुआ क्या ऐसे कि वापस नीचे से एक उछाल आ गया और जो बुलिशनेस है वो अब भी बरकरार है. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू बी शेयरिंग विद यू एज टू व्हाट रियली हैपेंड, which which has once again kept the bullish momentum alive. I am Raja Venkatraman, co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. I've been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. So friends, today was a great day. Everyone thought 12,000 cross हो जाएगा और वापस 12,000 summit पे बुल्स ने उनका झंडा गाड़ देंगे. लेकिन there were some different plans. But were you ready for it? And I'm sure you were, because you have been watching my videos. Thank you for watching. And if you're watching it for the first time, I would like you to leave a like and comment on this video, because I have been ensuring that all of you are warned. Yes, one of my regular viewers, Ramesh, said that good for you to caution us on the indices, and I'm sure that Ramesh, you would have taken good note of this particular point. And yes, there are other people also who commented on the micro analysis, and that's what I've been doing. And when you take a look at the maximum pain point in the option chain, it continues to be around the 23,500 mark on the bank nifty, around 11,700 on the nifty. So as we are heading into the expiry, it is clearly evident that yes, the bulls are continuing to ensure that they somehow recover from the bottom, and they are coming up like a whale to sniff of some oxygen. Well, are they going to get some oxygen tomorrow, or are they going to get carbon dioxide? Let's go down and take a look, friends, as to what we have in store. And the way the markets have ended the day today, it is clearly suggesting that yes, there is some potential, and there is some potential to move towards the upside, but then we got to have see it with a pinch of salt. So when I share this screen right now, and whatever you are seeing on the screen, so I am going to be first showing you on the nifty. So this is a chart of nifty. You can see here that how nifty has moved. Nifty has moved quite well. It's moved well to the upside. It began the day with a gap up. तो गैप अप का मतलब है बुलिशनेस, और बुलिशनेस कहां पर? once again at the 12,000 zone. So this 12,000 zone which you are seeing, let me just take some annotation tools here. You can see here that there has been a steady attempt to cross the 12,000 mark. There was an attempt here, there was an attempt here, and this is the third attempt which has failed, right? Three attempts to go to the upside, and it has failed once again. So I am taking an intraday chart, and you can see that yes, there is a consistent attempt. This time इरादे बुलंद थे, और 12,000 को क्रॉस करने की जो चेतावनी थी वो भी डट के bulls were trying to hold on. And you can see here that somewhere around the 11,980 middle of this long body bullish candle, it was held for quite some time, but then the sharp fall which happened, it escaped the morning gap, it went beyond that, and then it took support around this zone. So if our readers recall, I have been speaking about 11,800 to 11,750 as an important support area. So what happened out there? Prices dipped down into support, and it has revived very, very well from there. And where has it come into? It has come into the next set of gaps. So gaps act as support and resistance, and you should never forget that, because that is elementary technical analysis. And if you have been watching my videos regularly, I'm sure that your mind is also starting to connect with all these things. So you can see here that right now it has come into this gap zone around 11,950. I have already pointed out that 11,950 is an important mark. So right now the nifty is at resistance zone once again. So pullbacks continue to remain a buying opportunity, and the option structure also suggests that unless and until 11,750 to 700 is given away, we are going to experience some volatile but bullish moments. Now let's go and take a look at Bank Nifty. All right. So we are going to see some interesting setups on Bank Nifty, and let's go down and take a look at Bank Nifty. So before that, I would first like to show you on the Nifty what are the confluence zones which we are looking at. So if you take a look here, this is the setup for tomorrow, and what I'm seeing right now on the charts is what I shared with you. You can see here on the confluence zone through our friend Neo Trader, you can see that tomorrow's R1 is around the 12,000 mark, which is tying up as a confluence zone here. So 12,000 to 12,050 continues to be an important zone to watch out for, which then puts the owners to much higher levels around 12,200. So yes, tomorrow could be an interesting session. So 12,200 on the upside, and on the downside देख लेते हैं. Downside S1 के नीचे हम सबको पता है कि हमें शॉर्ट करना है, राइट? टिल वेयर? Let me just change the color so that my friends can see it. This is the 11815, which is tying up with your multi-day pivot. So there is a confluence here. So right now 11,937 is the Nifty, and 11,800 is on the downside. 800 to 825 will be your support zone. On the upside, it is 12,200. And for Nifty to get started, okay, it has to cross 12,050. So everything is set for you. You got the levels. The only thing you got to do is act करना है. अरे act करेंगे तो ये पैसे मिलेंगे ना. If you don't act, then all you got to do is keep watching the screen. Many people do that today. Even at the dip levels, I have been telling all my people that yes, this is a level to watch out for and this is a level to buy, and it came exactly to those dip levels, and it reversed very well from there. And those who have been tracking Fibonacci pivots, they will know that around the lows which was made today, there was a very good confluence. Now let's get into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is a very interesting setup. My video is not done yet, and I would like you to see a beautiful setup in Bank Nifty. So let's first go and take a look at Bank Nifty. Let me just clear the screen here, friends. So you can see here, I just wanted to show you something on Bank Nifty. You can watch the screen here. This is a 25-minute chart, and this is how the market opened. And I'm playing the market for you right now, and you can see how the market opened up. It opened right above the median line, which I was telling you, but then it could not sustain at higher levels, and it dipped down sharply. And what has happened is it has reclaimed the position once again. So if I shift to the daily chart, you can see here that I had cautioned you 24,200 and thereabouts as an important zone. And Bank Nifty has closed above the median line as we are entering the whole expiry for this week. So what is it saying? Bank Nifty is all charged up, it's all geared up, but it has to do its bit, right? It is at an important inflection zone. It has crossed the first threshold, and now if it were to trade above these zones, we could experience some strong momentum in Bank Nifty, and that could help Nifty once again. और फिर देखेंगे कि बुल्स में कितना है दम. All right, so now let's go into Neo Trader, our friend, our guide, and let us see what he has to tell us. You can take a look here that right now with Bank Nifty just between your pivot and R1. So what is it saying? He's saying that yes, I am having some clarity, but then I need some help. All right. And what is the help? You can see here, it's a multi-day R3. So multi-day R3 is a profit booking zone, and that's where you experienced some bit of decline. And you can see here, some bit of decline emerged here. But then what really happened? It managed to stay below this. So right now, if I were to be a little prudent, I would wait for 24,800 to be crossed, because once 24,800 is crossed, I have got sufficient room. What is that room which I'm expecting? Expecting at least a move towards your R3, which is 25,250, which could give me a 450 point move on an expiry day, and it would be something fantastic. Now let's see on the other side. On the downside, you have got 24,247, but not much of clarity here. So once again, the key level to watch out for is 24,800. So 24,800 is the key level to watch out for on the upside. But on the downside, Bank Nifty continues to be a buy. And why am I saying that? Because the maximum pain point is around 23,700. And if you take a look at the intraday charts, so let me just move this guy out here. You will see that the pullbacks are witnessing some steady buying opportunity here. There is a nice consolidation here. So on the safe side, the extreme scenario is around 23,700, which I've said. So unless and until these levels are lost, we don't have to worry. So what essentially you are seeing is that the Nifty and Bank Nifty are in the bullish territory. Lekin the bulls are getting scared. Just like when the bears are shouting boo, so bulls are running away. But then tomorrow, Bank Nifty could brush off the bulls, and we could see that, brush off the ghosts which are there in the market. Not brush off the bulls, brush off the ghosts which are there in the market, and ensure that Nifty closes about 12,000, and Bank Nifty moves further on, because Bank Nifty has got room almost till 25,000. Right? This is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like what I shared, and I would like you to leave a like and comment on this video, because your love and support is what brings me back every day. And this is Raja Venkatraman signing off, co-founder of New Trader and also your trading influencer. I've been in the market for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. See you, friends. Stay safe, stay blessed. Have a good day.